In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new chat and projects in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get a brand new conversation going inside the right project without any extra setup. Start by looking to the left-hand sidebar. This is your navigation hub, and it's where your projects live. Take a moment to find the list of projects you've already set up. Keeping everything organized here helps you keep related conversations and ideas together, so you're not hunting through unrelated chats later. Next, select the project where you want the new chat to live. Just click the project's name to open its workspace. This step is important because it tells ChatGPT exactly where to store your upcoming conversation. If you've got multiple projects, double-check that you're choosing the one that matches your goal, whether it's content planning, coding, research, or anything else you're working on. Once you're inside the project, look for the text bar. You'll find it at the bottom of the screen, ready for your first message. This is the same input field you're used to, but now it's tied to your selected project. You don't have to create anything manually here. No special buttons or extra menus. The project context is already set for you. Now simply type your prompt in that text bar and send it. As soon as you submit your first message, ChatGPT automatically creates a new chat inside the project. That initial prompt is what kicks things off, and the conversation will be saved under the project you selected. A helpful tip: make your first prompt clear and descriptive. Often, the system uses that first message to generate a chat title, so something specific like "outline a 3-part blog series on remote teamwork" is more useful than a vague "help me." From here, just continue the conversation as you normally would. Every reply you send and every response you receive stays scoped to this project, keeping your work organized and easy to revisit. If you ever return later, you'll find the chat listed under the same project in the left sidebar, ready to pick up where you left off. A quick reminder: avoid including any sensitive information in your prompt. Stick to the task, be as specific as you can, and let the project structure do the organizing for you. And that's it. Open the left sidebar, choose your project, use the text bar, and send your prompt. The new chat is created automatically, so you can focus on the work, not the setup.